friends, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming through. If you're new to my channel, my name is Nneka Friedel, aka Nneka F, and I welcome you all to my channel. So we are going to do a brief, quick unboxing of the Adidas Adidas DNA Ultraboost Climacool sneakers. So I've had these for a few weeks, and I did a couple of other videos prior to that, but I still wanted to unbox these because I think these are a great shoe for the summer. And now that, at least for East Coasters, people on the East Coast, we're now getting into our warmer months. And I think this is a great shoe for the weather, for the warmer weather, so that your feet don't get hot and smelly and ill. You know what I mean? So let's just really get into this unboxing real quick, and I'll be back. So I got these shoes in a men's size 6.5, like I always do. And I got them in the white on white color with the blue gradient bottoms. And these shoes are supposed to be kind of like a hybrid between the Adidas Climacool shoes and the Ultraboost. And what I'm trying to show you here is the lace closure by the cage, which allows the shoes to have air channels. And I just wanted to show you, I used the pink key ring just to show you that it's basically transparent. And that's supposed to help your foot get the air that it needs so that we don't have any stinky feet. So for this try on, I just grabbed a pair of white ankle socks that I got from Five Below, and I just tried these sneakers on for you. So far I love them, just like any other Ultraboost. I can't really test out whether or not I'm getting a lot of air, so to speak, but because we saw that there are a lot of air channels in the cage, I'm pretty sure that my feet will get the air that it needs. So I am back. Something I actually just noticed was that it says prime green on the sole instead of prime blue. But I did check on the website to make sure the sole does say prime green, and it does. Prime blue is a high performance recyclable material that's made partly from Parley Ocean plastic. So we are, I guess, helping the environment by reusing things that weren't even supposed to be in the ocean in the first place. These sneakers are really cool, and I really like this gradient going from white to a light blue to a teal to a darker blue. I like it a lot, and I do think that them having these air channels here is going to keep your feet from getting hot. It takes a lot for me to sweat. And if you know me personally, you know that I don't stop wearing jackets outside, even a light jacket or a long sleeve or a sweater. I don't stop wearing those things until it's about 90 degrees outside. And maybe that's weird to you, but that's always been me. I don't get hot, sweaty hot, until it's 90. That's just me. So I don't really have issues with my feet getting super hot and, not smelling great. But this can be helpful because, it's definitely a lot more airy than the other Ultraboost. And I just think this is a good idea. I don't really have white sneakers. I might have one other Ultraboost that is a white upper, and then this part here, the boost part is a different color. And that might be the only other white sneaker that I have. I used to have a pair of all white Yeezys, and I sold those. And other than that, I don't really have white sneakers because, I don't like when white sneakers get dirty. So I don't know how often I'm gonna be wearing these, and they give me very auntie vibes. Maybe when I had them on, I felt like an auntie. I am an auntie, but I felt very auntie in these sneakers. This actually wasn't the color that I really initially wanted, but then I felt like, you know what, these are kind of cool. And before I go, I do want to let you know that if you are interested in this color, I would go cop now because they are on sale. They are on sale. Instead of $180, they are on sale for $158. And then if you're a student, well, I don't know, because actually I feel like if you have uni days, they don't ever take any discounts off for Ultraboost. So that most likely isn't helpful, but you never know if they have any other discount. Then I would recommend going on the Adidas website now and grabbing these. This is the only color that I see that is on sale for a few bucks. What is it, $22 off? $22 could buy a shirt, or, you know, I don't know, pay a bill possibly. Yeah, but if you're interested, go on the website now, and they are $158 instead of $180. And so far it's the only color that is on sale. And I got these maybe about a month and a half ago, maybe about a month ago. And yeah, they weren't on sale at that point. So I highly recommend, if you're interested in, or if you have issues with like your feet getting hot in the summer months or in the warmer months, then this might be the perfect sneaker for you, because it's going to be good when you're running. I'm not a runner, but if I was to run, I'd probably choose these, except for the fact that they're white. Up and down on this one in terms of the color, but I do like these, and I do see myself wearing this during the summer, you know, just to enjoy a little bit of white sneaker and feel more summery. I'd probably just, you know, throw them on, but I'd probably have to like really keep watching them because I wouldn't want to get them dirty. That is pretty much it for this video. If you have any other questions, then please feel free to comment down below. Before you get out of here, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and thumbs up this video if you liked it. So if you're interested in watching another sneaker review video of mine, then I'm going to go ahead and link it up above. And that is pretty much it for this video. Thank you all for your love and your support, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.